Hi guys, there's one thing I've come to learn that either men don't understand or refuse to accept. It's not that women can't chase, it's that they don't feel the need to. And why would they? They've been conditioned to believe that if a man wants them, he'll prove it. He'll pursue, he'll show effort. So most women just sit back and wait. That's why when you chase her, she expects it. She doesn't feel excited, she doesn't feel special. She thinks you're supposed to validate her, entertain her, win her over. But here's the truth most men don't realize. The more you chase a woman who hasn't earned it, the less value she places on you because you become something she never had to work for. Now here's where it flips. The men she obsesses over, the ones she can't stop thinking about, those are the men she had to chase. The men who didn't just hand themselves over. The men who weren't immediately impressed, who weren't desperate for her time or attention. And when she feels that imbalance, it drives her crazy because now her ego's on the line. Now it's not about you, it's about her need to win you over. That's what creates obsession because women are emotional, but they're also competitive. And when a man doesn't fold, when he doesn't react the way other guys do, he becomes the challenge. And challenge creates tension. Tension creates investment. Investment creates emotional detachment. And that's when she starts chasing. So how do you use this to your advantage? It's really simple. Number one, pull back first. Let her feel your absence before she ever feels your praise. Number two, control your focus. Don't watch her stories. Don't blow up her phone. Don't respond instantly. Let her wonder where your attention went. Number three, give her space to earn you. Let her prove herself before you give her access. You're not some random guy trying to impress her. You're a man of value. And if she wants your energy, she has to deserve it. Because the second she senses that you don't need her, that's when she starts needing you. And that regret you wanted her to feel, that moment she realizes what she lost, it doesn't just come from a long text or a last minute apology. It comes from your absence, from your discipline, from the fact that you didn't chase her when she expected you to. She'll never forget that. So with that being said, until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.